Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how we can truncate a text or not in SwiftUI. Now text elements will always try to expand to display all text. If the text is long, SwiftUI will break it into multiple lines. So to prevent that, text element will contain some modifier. It will be fixed size. Now this could contain two arguments. First one is horizontal. It means that is a boolean value that indicates whether to fix the width of the view. Now other thing is vertical. Vertical is a boolean value that indicates whether to fix the height of the view. Now if we say horizontal as false and vertical as true, here now we cannot see much difference because there are no such value. So I am going to edit. Now you can see it is width is increasing vertically because we allowed it is to increase the space by vertically. Now you can see it is increasing vertically. Now what if we change this horizontal as true and then vertical as false? Now you can see it is trying to increase its size horizontally. Okay, that is it for this video. If this video helps, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.